Welding and cutting can be fun, but without taking the proper safety precautions, you can risk injury. By following these helpful tips and any other recommendations from the manufacturer of the equipment you are using, you can count on years of enjoyment without any unnecessary danger. Here's what you will need to wear. Safety glasses, even when wearing a helmet, to protect your eyes from flying particles. A welding helmet to protect your eyes, face, and neck during welding. A welding cap, also called a do-rag. For oxy fuel or plasma cutting, wear safety glasses or goggles. Always wear a face shield and safety glasses when using a grinder. Welding gloves that are flame resistant made from leather, a welding jacket or shirt, and finally, wear pants with no cuffs and leather boots that cover your ankles. By following the manufacturer's recommended safety protocols and these helpful suggestions, you can count on years of enjoyment without any unnecessary danger.